Yeah, this digital display table fan, which I got from the seller to show you, looks pretty simple, but it's actually not simple. It's just very stylish. While they have still built in a ton of function into this fan to make it super convenient, no matter if you're using it at home, office, travel, inside, outside. So here we have it in the off position, so you can see how nice this is with this bracket. We can fully fold it, clip even this hook here inside, which we otherwise can use to hang it up, for example, in a tent or in the patio or wherever you need this. Has nice protection here in the back and of course also in the front. So it's super small, perfect for travel, for example. And then when we need it, we can just grab it here and then pull out the stand, can adjust it exactly how you need it. You can even have it like that, again with this hook here on top, hang it up and use it like that, or just like that at home or in the office. In the back we have this covered charging port. They kept it super simple with USB-C just working as an input. You can see now charging, for example, from this power bank here and never losing accidentally charge back into a power bank. And because it has a high quality, high performance motor built in, the fan can work up to 24 hours on the lowest level with just one charge. We can also use this included charging cable to charge this fan from USB-A to C here. But as you have seen, we can definitely charge it USB-C to C even with fast PD charge. And we can use this large 10,000 milliamps built-in battery to charge your phone, tablet or other stuff. But now of course we want to see the main functions. So we can turn it on here, starts automatically on level 1 and shows also the charge. And when we push again, goes into level 2, 3, 4 and even a pulsing mode where the speed is cycling between the lowest and the highest mode automatically. And for the fan we have a timer mode, so we have a 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour and 8 hour timer. And we have also a sleep mode. When we long press here, you can see that will stop the display, and after 10 seconds also this indicator for the sleep mode. With any button it will activate the display again. And then of course we have the different light modes which work independent from the fan, also something which is super important. And the light can be adjusted in 3 different levels or off. And we have also 3 different color temperature modes. Here we have the very warm light, maybe not totally visible here because the camera tries to adjust here a little bit. When I long press here in the center, goes into intermediate, somewhere in between cold and warm. And when we press again, goes into full cold white mode, which is pretty much a daylight mode, and turn it off at any time. So fan and light work totally independent, absolutely perfect, exactly how it should be. Yeah, very beautiful, highly flexible construction with a lot of functions built in. Yeah, looks absolutely amazing. But of course, you also want to know what's not so good. What I miss here is of course the oscillation mode. I mean, we have this pulsing mode, but the pulsing works very slow and cannot be limited. So it always goes back to the maximum level in between, which also can be very loud. And also that's a little bit a complaint here regarding the noise level. I mean, it's definitely not very loud. Don't see a problem for travel or in the office or so. But if you want to use that for sleeping, maybe could be a little bit too much even on level 1. I was hoping for a little bit lower level breeze mode. Other than that, I think it could be an awesome thing. Definitely one of the best fans I've ever seen. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this fan, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.